welcome back. I hope you are doing well. Yeah, we're getting our day started. It's the afternoon now. But yeah, we're gonna eat some lunch and then we are going to clean up a little bit around the house, and then later after that we are going to make cookies from scratch. Baby wants to say hi. It's gonna be my first time making cookies from scratch. I have always made the ones that come pre-made, like, you know, the is it frozen? I think the frozen packets, and hopefully it is not a disaster. I don't know how it's going to be, and if it all goes well, then I will buy another box and maybe we will try to make some more during the week with actual icing. Yeah, because I don't have the icing for today, so hopefully they still taste good. I don't know. I love sugar cookies, like with the sugar on top, but I don't have that, so yeah, we will try them like this anyway. I have my coffee going because I really need it today. I have a bit of a headache, but hopefully it will go away with my coffee and eating something because I'm kind of very hungry. And then I'm also going to be decorating our, is this called a mental? I don't know. Is it? I really want to do like a coffee station here with our coffee maker, but I would have to buy a few more things and that would probably have to wait until tomorrow. So yeah, I guess we will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Later in the afternoon now, and we are going to start to make the cookies. We're gonna try this out. Yeah. Hopefully baby will let me do this. She wants to be in mama's arms, but okay. All right, so I'm gonna see if she will stay down. And then we are gonna get the cookies ready. Alright, so I already turned on the oven to make these cookies. And it does come with the instructions on the back. They seem pretty easy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and follow those. Okay, so we're gonna combine the cookie mix. So I'm gonna do 1, 2. Like that. I hope that's enough. Okay, and the egg. And hopefully it turns out. Apparently it's that easy. Hopefully it is. This is to mix with a spoon or spatula. I'm gonna use this one. I think I messed up. I shouldn't have added that extra tablespoon of butter. Now it's all sticky. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and see if that helps it not be so sticky. Let's wait and see, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. And we'll be right back. Alright, so they came out. This is what they look like. I did poke a couple actually, to see if no batter would come out, and they look okay. I'm just gonna let these cool. How are they? Quick? They're good? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. You like them? Mm-hmm. Alright everyone, that's gonna be the end of today's video. We are gonna end our night by watching something on TV, not sure what. I still have a headache and I'm tired and I'm hungry. So I'm just gonna lay down and we'll probably get something to eat, some dinner. But alright, we will see you guys tomorrow.